Greetings, folks. Raymond Lacoste here with Stormwind Studios, and I'm here today sharing this video with you because I want to help you improve your IT services, increase your productivity, cut your costs, and make yourself more valuable. That's my goal here today. Now, if that sounds amazing to you, and I hope right now you're chanting away in the background, tell me more, tell me more, tell me more. Well, I can tell you more, and it's very easy. You can accomplish all of these by becoming ITIL V4 certified. Now, when it comes to ITIL V4, there are many layers of certification. Right now, we're just focused on the foundational level, which is ITIL V4 Foundations. So building that foundational knowledge is going to help you along your journey of improving those services, increasing the productivity, cutting those costs, and making yourself more valuable. So what is ITIL? Well, ITIL is really, folks, a framework. It's a framework of best practices, and we can see this framework right here. This framework is about taking opportunity and demand and using the various components and activities that are built into the framework and turning that into value. So whatever that opportunity is, or whatever that demand is, your goal is to convert it into value. So this framework is here to assist us with managing our IT services. It's all about IT service management, folks. That's what ITIL is. So if you're just hearing about ITIL, you're not alone, because many organizations have really brushed off ITIL over the years, and it's been around for over 30 years. However, it is the most widely adopted and adapted framework for IT service management. Everybody's doing it. Well, maybe you're not right now, but it's something you should be considering because it's not going anywhere. And folks, the largest and most successful organizations today are who they are because of successful ITIL implementations. It's the knowledge that they have provided to the industry that has made ITIL what it is today. So by learning how they successfully accomplish what they accomplish and how they are efficient and how they are effective, you can take advantage of that information through ITIL. So remember, it's about efficiently and effectively taking various opportunities and demand that arises for you, your organization, your customers, and converting it into something that is valuable for your stakeholders. And in today's day and age, everything that is valuable has an IT component associated with it. So therefore, ITIL is here to help us make sure that we are providing those services, using those various IT resources, using those various IT products as efficiently and effectively as possible. So the end goal here is that our stakeholders, our customers, our end users are extremely happy because they're getting the value that they need. So what's ITIL going to do for you folks? Well, it's going to help you focus on the basics that matter to your business and to your customers' business as well. You know, your business and your customers are all looking for what? They're looking for ways to improve what they do. And how do you improve what you do? Well, you improve the services that you are using or the services that you are providing. And therefore, you increase productivity. And when you increase productivity, you can ultimately cut costs. And so it's all about the customer's needs here. So the customers, what they need, what our business needs, what their business needs, combining it all together to make sure that the customer continuously gets the value or gets increased value out of the service that you are offering to them. So what is a customer? A customer can be external to your organization, folks. A customer can be internal to your organization. So, for example, if you are an IT department right now, how can you efficiently and effectively improve those IT services, increase productivity, and ultimately cut costs? Well, if you're struggling to do that for those end users, those individuals that are sitting down in whether it's customer support or the sales department or the HR department or the finance department, right? Improve their services, increase productivity, cut costs. You're meeting the customer's needs. You're meeting the business needs. You're increasing value of that service that they are using, making them better, making your department better. That's what it all boils down to. How do we effectively, make these changes, manage these changes as efficiently and effectively as possible? Now, I keep using the word IT, folks, but I don't want you to think that ITIL is only for IT professionals, because it's not. Right? Yeah, they're at the top of the list, the IT professionals. But here's the deal. ITIL is most successful when everyone understands the who's, the what's, the where's, the why's, the how's. So project managers. Absolutely, because they're going to be managing projects related to these services. So having a foundational knowledge as a project manager, you understand better the who's, the what's, the why's, the where's, the how's when it comes to effectively and efficiently managing, monitoring, maintaining the services that you are using or other people are using as you are managing projects. What about finance department? Well, if the finance department understands better how to efficiently and effectively manage IT products, IT services, right, they can coexist better in the world of ITIL, and therefore, right, it's easier to get the sponsorship you need, the budget you need, because they'll understand by doing this, we cut costs, we increase productivity. So even finance individuals or HR individuals or customer support people, whoever, right, they can all benefit by understanding, okay, this is why IT does what they do. And this is how I, as a finance individual or an HR individual or a project manager, fits into this scenario. Everybody in your organization is extremely valuable, and they can provide valuable feedback that's going to help you improve the services to increase their productivity and reduce the costs. So working together, knowing the who's, the what's, the where's, the why's, and the how's, by everybody getting ITIL V4 foundational knowledge, foundational training, is really going to, in the end, increase your chances of having better services, more productivity, and reducing overall costs. So because ITIL certification is becoming more and more important each and every single year, folks, many organizations, especially IT departments, will not even consider your resume today if you don't have foundational ITIL knowledge. And so how do you prove? How do you prove that you have that foundational knowledge? Well, first and foremost, you'll want to take a course. And here at Stormwind Studios, we offer a course that you absolutely want to take advantage of. It's our ITIL V4 Foundations course, which is going to prepare you for the ITIL V4 Foundation certification exam. Now, who teaches this course? This guy right here. I don't know who this guy is. I'm not sure. Right? It is me, that's for sure. But I tailor this course to make sure that when you are done your ITIL V4 Foundations course, you have the knowledge, the information to assist you in the real world at beginning or continuing, I should say, your ITIL V4 journey, but you have everything you need to successfully pass the certification exam. So it's very certification based to get you that information or that proof that you have the ITIL knowledge and you get through the exam, and therefore you can continue that journey in the real world. So you absolutely want to take advantage of our ITIL V4 Foundations training. So once you have successfully completed that training, you have the confidence you need to take that certification exam, then you go ahead and pass that certification exam, folks. Once you pass that exam, you have proof that you have that foundational ITIL knowledge, and then you can add it to your resume. And by adding it to your resume, you increase the likelihood that you will become a more valuable member of your existing company or a new company. If you're having trouble getting your foot in the door, it might be simply this one exam that separates you from the rest of the people that are out there, and therefore now your foot is in the door. You are now employed with an organization. Why? Because of this one simple exam. So a lot of organizations out there, they're happy with the Cisco certs, the A+ certs, the Network Plus certs, the, what else can we say? Microsoft certs, PMP certs. But the thing is that a lot of IT departments, when it comes down to it, they're like, that's great, you have the technical knowledge, but what about, the necessary skills or information or knowledge when it comes to efficiently and effectively managing these services that are going to be provided? And so having this under your belt absolutely is going to increase your value when it's all said and done. So folks, if you want to improve your IT services, you want to increase your productivity, you want to cut costs, and you want to make yourself just more valuable, then absolutely become ITIL V4 Foundations certified today. And if you decide after that to continue your journey through ITIL and get other certifications, that is up to you. But here is where you begin. It's the prerequisite for it all, and you absolutely want to take advantage of it in today's day and age. So folks, I encourage you to look us up, www.stormwind.com or www.stormwind.com. Visit us there. Sign up for ITIL V4 Foundations today. Don't waste time, folks. Take advantage of our offering. And if you find anything else on stormwind.com that you'd be interested in taking, then jump on board with that as well. So, folks, we'll see you in a future session with us here at Stormwind Studios. Take care, and bye for now.